Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's tap on Apps and choose the settings. Now let's scroll down and find the display, and here let's tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. What's more, you can tap on My Photos, and if you will have your own photos in your gallery, then you will be able to pick them and set as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and let's tap for example on this one. Let's set it as a wallpaper. If you are happy with your choice, just tap here on Set Wallpaper. Now you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper, so you can apply it to your home screen, start screen, or both. I will pick both, for example, so simply tap on the option you want to use. Now let's go back to our home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.